These minutes are yours. To take a break, to be present, to take care of yourself, to reconnect, and transform your skin at a deeper level. We present the Red Ruby Eye Mask. The Red Ruby Eye Mask helps renew your eye contour with natural ingredients and advanced technology. Its formula contains fermented pomegranate, which helps soften expression lines and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Caffeine provides a revitalizing effect that promotes skin firmness. And niacinamide contributes to a more uniform-looking skin with a smoother texture. The Red Ruby Eye Mask is made of biocellulose, a biodegradable material that adheres like a second skin. And the formula is released by LipoButy technology, which encapsulates the natural ingredients in a structure similar to the skin's membranes. The result? More efficient absorption, which takes the formula to deeper layers. More lasting hydration. A more luminous and rested appearance. A new glow in your eyes. Live the Red Ruby Eye Mask experience. Feel the renewing touch of nature at a deeper level.